Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, my channel is Megzy Beauty. I do hair and makeup tutorials. I wanted to say thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. So I did a big poll on my Instagram and one of them were either to do a Maybelline haul or a Wet n Wild haul. And I kind of wanted to do the Wet n Wild haul, honestly, just because I haven't tried a lot of Wet n Wild products. But Maybelline won, which was kind of what I was expecting. I have my receipt right here. I got all these products from Target just because I feel like all of Target's products are usually like 3 or 4 cents cheaper than every other drugstore that I go to. I don't know why, but that's especially true online. I got a full face of Maybelline products. The only thing I didn't get was a primer, just because I don't use primer anymore, so I didn't really want to like waste my money on buying a new one whenever I already have this one. And this is actually the only series that they had at Target. Just applying that quickly. I'm going to get started into the haul. I'm really excited for this video today. Literally everything's still in the packaging, and yeah, I'm really excited. We're going to start with the Dream Velvet Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. And this is, okay, let's read it here. Fresh and flawless, Dream Velvet whips a fresh gel into a velvet soft texture. Complexion is perfected and smooth with a soft matte finish, just like velvet. Skin feels fresh with last hydration, which I need, especially because it's snowing out right now. I was trying to find medium to full coverage. I tried to get a concealer and foundation that claimed to be that. So it's almost like a bottle of cream. It's really weird. That's kind of why I was attracted to this one. Okay, so this is like such a weird texture. It's so moussey. Oh my gosh, the texture is literally like mousse. It's so soft. I'm actually really excited to blend this into my skin. Okay, so I guess I'm going to try applying this with a damp sponge starting off. It's so weird trying new foundations, and I'm actually really liking this. Just for the fun of it, I want to take a foundation brush. I think this is Urban Decay. I'm not sure. I'll link it below. I'm just going to damp it a little bit. I kind of want to try putting this in. I want to try blending this with a brush once, just to see what happens. Oh, see, that looks terrible. Okay, the sponge is definitely working way better than a brush would. This does feel very hydrating and dewy, which I'm really living for. This is actually looking really, really nice. I'm really curious to see how this is going to wear though, just because of the formula, because it was literally like lotion. This stuff, it is literally, I'm gonna bring it down my neck a little bit, so I need some more, but it's literally lotion. It's like, that's not usually what foundation is, you know what I'm saying? It blended so much easier than the 24-hour foundation, this foundation. It blended so much easier than that one. It took away all my redness. Honestly, like, I'm really impressed. Honestly, I feel like I might start using this one more. Moving on, we have the Better Skin Concealer and Corrector, and this is a Super Stay product. So I tried to get a few Super Stay products just because you guys know how I love the Super Stay 24 hours, so I was like, I need to try some of this other Super Stay products. So I got the Super Stay Concealer, I got Super Stay Setting Powder, and I got the Super Stay Lip. I believe that's all the ones I got, but I did get these from the Super Stay collection from Maybelline. I'm really excited about these ones. So it has a really nice bottle. This is the shade Ivory. Ooh. This wand is like really small. I'm so used to the Tarte one. This is also a medium to full coverage, as I said before. I always bring my concealer onto my eyelids just for a little base. It's like cheating and skipping a step, I don't know. Oh, wow. I actually looks pretty nice though. I'm actually really impressed with how that concealer worked. So I guess I'm going to set my face then with the Superstay Better Skin Classic Ivory. It comes with this little sponge thing, so I'm going to try it, see how it works. If not, I can switch to something else, you know. I feel like this little pad thing's kind of working. My foundation feels so lightweight, but it's giving me the coverage that I need and I want, so. Next we're going to go to brows, which I got the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the shade Soft Brown. Soft Brown was the lightest shade they had at Target. Really weird brow wand. Oh gosh. Oh, maybe it's not going to be that bad though. Okay, I can tell you already that the shape of this tip, I don't know if you can see it, it's literally like a diamond. It makes it really hard to make precise lines in your brow, which I like to do up here, like very precise up here, so it made this a little bit more difficult, and I feel like not as good looking as it usually would be. Yeah, like I can't make my tail with this tip. Maybe if I hold it this way. Oh, maybe that's what you need to do. Okay, so I think I was like, okay, so I started using it like on this edge instead of on this edge, and I can make more of precise lines now. Yeah. And then you can like flip it over whenever you're filling in your brow. Okay, that's kind of cool actually. When I did this other brow, I haven't brushed it out or anything yet. When I used this pointed edge for like my stuff up here, like my really definition stuff, it worked a lot better. And then I flipped it over to this thicker edge and kind of filled in my brow with it. A little thick because this pencil definitely isn't my favorite thing in the world. It's a little confusing. And it's getting dull, so I'm not sure how the like preciseness is gonna work out. Okay, so I did the concealer. Next would be eyeshadow, right? Which Maybelline doesn't have a lot of eyeshadows. They have a whole bunch of these palettes, but they have like a pink one, a purple one. This is obviously the green one. They had like a brown one. But I was like, you know what? I never really do greens, and I have green eyes, so I was like, why not? I was gonna get the purple one, but I was like, I always do purple. I don't think there's a matte shade in this. Like, even this green color, it has a little bit of sparkle in it. I'm really gonna have to reach into a different palette and like grab a transition shade, which I don't think is really that big of a problem. I'm probably gonna end up needing to plop into like another transition shade again for like blending colors out, because these are really like dark solid colors, and I'm gonna need something to obviously blend them out, or they're just gonna look terrible. The darkest green shade, and already there's a lot of fallout, like wow. So I'm going in with this darkest green shade on my outer corner and on my inner corner. I'm using the Morphe E22. This is a little bit of a bigger brush, but I really just want to plop this color on there. This is a Sephora brush. It's called Small Shadow Brush. And I'm just going to plop this green color up into my crease as well, just creating that halo type of look. I'm pretty impressed by the pigment by now of this. It has like this very subtle shimmer that I'm totally okay with. I'm glad it's not super sparkly. We're going to go in and warm that up and blend that out. So I'm just plopping into a transition shade. And I'm just going to blend. So I'm going to take this green shimmery shade, and it has like yellow undertone sparkles. And I'm just going to plop that right in the middle here. Uh-oh. It's kind of losing its prettiness as I'm plopping into it. It has that like weird layer on top of it. Gosh. Wow, that looks really nice actually. I'm literally going to use one of these old thingers. I don't even know what they're called. And I just want to lightly put that really light green shade like up in my crease a little bit. Putting a little more of this light green color in the center. Just because I'm really, really liking the yellow undertones of it. That's all I'm going to do for the eyes for right now. I bought the Lasting Drama waterproof gel pencil. It's a white eyeliner. And I'm like really wanting to try to put this as like a top liner. If it's a gel liner, I think it should work as an eyeliner. I was just going to put it in my waterline, but I'm really feeling this right now, so why not? So I put the white liner on the top of my eyelid, and I'm also going to put it in my waterline quickly. So this is what I have by now, and I'm excited because I also got the Master Precise Ink Metallic Liquid Eyeliner from Maybelline. So the last eyeliner I bought from Maybelline, I was so disappointed. I didn't like the tip of it. I could never get any product on it, and I swear it ran out after like 5 uses. I was annoyed. But hopefully this one works out a little better. It has a shaky thing in it, which is a good sign because the other one did not have a shaky thing in it, which made me mad because I felt like I couldn't get any other product. I'm going to try to put this eyeliner so you can still see the white though, you know what I mean? So I really like how thin this liner is. It's so much better than the other one I got. Paying the extra $1 or $2 for this one, definitely worth it already. Okay guys, so my camera died and I have to go to work soon, so I'm going to finish this out on my camera. I'm pretty sure it's about the same quality anyways. But I just curled my lashes and I'm going to finish this. I have 2 more products left, so this is one of them. It's the Total Temptation Maybelline. Oh my gosh, I got brownish black, but it's okay because we're putting lashes on, but that really sucks. But we'll still be able to know the quality of it, obviously. It's actually working really nicely. I'm really picky about my mascara. Okay, I need to do the inner corners on a real mirror. I'm literally living for what this mascara is doing to my bottom lashes right now. This is only 1 layer on the top lashes, which is really good for 1 layer. I would usually put 2 or 3 if I'm just wearing mascara, but I think I'm gonna go plop some lashes on. Okay, so it's 1:10 right now, so I'm probably not gonna be back from work until like 10 maybe, I would guess. So this is gonna hold up like 8, 9, 10 hours of wear. Okay guys, so I'm angry at myself right now because I just took off my makeup and was like, I forgot to shoot the end of the video. But just a little update on my makeup. My foundation wore amazing today. Like, I totally loved it. It was so lightweight. Definitely not a full coverage by the end of the day, just letting y'all know. A little bit of redness was showing through, you know. The hydrating part of it kind of made me a little bit oily, but overall, like, I'm definitely going to use that foundation again. And the only product I ended up not liking was the matte ink lipstick. It was too matte for me, way too matte. Like, I would put just a thin layer on and it would get like crusty instantly. I couldn't do it. I'm already not very good with matte lips though. I always usually put a gloss over them or something because I have such dry skin. But yeah, I'm not feeling the matte ink liquid lipstick. Definitely not feeling that one. But all the other products turned out so great today. My liner stayed on point. My white liner stayed on point. Everything stayed on point today, so all the products in this video, other than the liquid lipstick, were a total go for me. And getting a full face of makeup for under $100, if you've ever been to Ulta before or Sephora, this is like a loophole in the makeup game, guys. Like, get on Maybelline, seriously. They are stellar products, seriously, for how cheap they are. I don't even really understand how they do it. Thank you guys so much. If you liked this haul, give this video a big thumbs up. I really enjoyed doing it. So let me know down in the comments what drugstore products do you like? What drugstore products are you curious about? What drugstore products do you want me to do another video on? Because I'm feeling Wet n Wild. I don't know why, that's like one of the cheapest drugstore brands I can find, and I'm feeling doing a whole face of it and just really, really testing them out. Thank you everyone who has watched my channel, my videos. It means so much to me, and I'll see you guys next time.